Hi everyone, here is the latest update about the starter niche site that I purchased few months back. As you know, I ran into the problems when I applied for Google AdSense. It got rejected because of the content quality and all that. Finally, I took necessary actions, and now here I got positive updates. So just thought of sharing with you the updates as well as the activities that I performed to reach this particular status. Let me get started. Let me start with the good news. I reapplied for AdSense, got approved, and also I applied for Ejoic and it also got approved. That's the latest status about this particular site. So let me take you through the details. So I already created a couple of videos explaining about the problems I faced with the site and also actions that I intend to take to deal with the problems. So if you have not yet watched those videos, please go and check it out. But here is a quick recap. I bought a starter niche site in furniture, home furniture niche, and for about $435 US, and then I changed the affiliate links and went ahead and applied for AdSense. As you all know, it got rejected, and I got the feedback that it was violating policies and content quality is not great. So that's the feedback I received, and then sorry, I took some time and came up with the action plan considering all the data points that with related to site, and then I went ahead to implement those plans. So this is the quick recap. Now let me take you through the actions that I performed. Three major things that I did to clean up all the entire site and also make it eligible to be qualified and get approved with the ad networks, both AdSense as well as Ejoic. So what exactly I did? So here are the three things that I did. Number one, clean up the site. So when I purchased the site, site has about 18 articles. What I did after I purchased the site, first thing what I did was I changed the theme because I'm owning Astra premium version. So the site had GeneratePress. I don't have anything negative about GeneratePress, but still, just because I own Astra and most of my sites got installed Astra, so I was more comfortable, so I just went ahead and changed the theme. But the second point is very important. I cleaned plugins because the earlier owner was using lot of plugins, SEO related, some short codes and all those things. So I cleaned up everything and kept only the minimal plugins that are required, which I normally use it for my other sites also. Then I also found there were few articles which were not relevant or obsolete. There were a couple of articles of that nature, deleted those two articles, and then I reread there were three articles which were overlapping with other articles on the site. So I redirected those three. So finally, I also felt like images were not really license free. There may be some copyright issues. I felt like that. So without thinking much, I just deleted all the images across the site. So these are the activities I performed to clean up the site. So effectively, after cleanup, the site is left with about 13 articles. So this is the first step. And the second step, what I did was I got entire content rewritten 100%. But while doing that, I did not disrupt the structure of the article or topic of the article. That's very important. I retained the primary structure of the articles, and also I retained the main topic of the article. I would have changed few words here and there, but still focus topic is same, structure is same. I made some minor changes to some titles and minor changes here and there for headings, but still the focus had been this onto the same topic. Also, wherever I found that articles were very thin, I added few additional sections, subheadings, which are complementary to the existing topics. And then finally gave the structure to my writers and got all these 13 articles rewritten 100% without leaving anything. Probably I would have reused only some of the headings and titles. Apart from that, not even a single line of content was left out. So all entire 100% content was replaced. That's the second step. Finally, I also felt that 13 articles is too less for a niche site to go and apply to for ad network. I went ahead and got new content created. I did some analysis as usual and discovered few topics which are low in competition. about 18 articles already got written and published. So you can see here total summary of the word count at the bottom. 13 were earlier after cleanup and 18 the new, altogether 31 posts at the bottom you can see, and average word count is at about 2136 words. That's what the final step. Of course, there are few more articles still in progress, but this is what it is. So once this is done, I went ahead and applied for AdSense. These are the three things what I did. One is cleanup, second thing is basically rewriting the existing content, and finally adding the new content. Then went ahead and reapplied for AdSense with no queries, no follow-up. Within 24 hours I got the approval, and immediately after few days I went ahead and applied for Ejoic also, because you know of late Ejoic is accepting the applications of the sites with low traffic also, and then they do their own review. Finally, if they are convinced, they actually provide the approval, and for this site I got approval from Ejoic also. You can see here, here is basically the latest dashboard of Ejoic. You can see it got onboarded only on 10th of June. It's hardly about 2 weeks of time. EPMV currently is clocking at about $18, but I think normally when it takes at about 4 to 6 weeks for Ejoic to really fine tune these earnings and all that. It normally goes up. Of course, it all also depends upon your traffic. More and more traffic we get, then there is a higher possibility that this may get further optimized. So I am hoping that this may touch at about a $20. If it happens, very happy with that. It's a very good EPMV, and this site also will start generating some revenue. So those are the activities I did, and that is the latest update. So I just wanted to share these details with all of you. That one important observation I also wanted to tell you. See, I was able to do all these things because the site had only 18 articles, but just imagine if site had about a 50 or 100 articles. Cleaning up all these things and rewriting all those articles would have been nightmare, almost impossible. I would have given up the site. So one lesson to all of us is, even though if we don't earn so much of money in the beginning, when site is relatively start getting some traffic, it's better to go apply for AdSense and just ensure that site is clean, so that later point of time we don't face any of such issues. Because if it gets rejected at AdSense, then very likely that it may get rejected with other networks also. Of course, Ejoic says that it is not mandatory to have the site approved by AdSense, but if there are some quality issues, you may even Ejoic also may raise those issues. Just to be on the safer side, probably when site is still small relatively, it may be an option to go and apply for AdSense and just ensure that site is of the good quality, so that we don't face any problems at the later stage. That's what one of the lessons I learned from this journey. So overall, things are looking good. Finally, now the site is on track. I will have to plan if I need to add few more articles or so, but at this moment it's got approved by both AdSense and Ejoic and start generating few dollars of revenue. So those are the latest updates and the details I wanted to share. If you have any questions, please do ask in the comment section. Thanks for your time. Bye.